Hey, what's up, y'all? What's up? Your boy Domino 7 here with this Instagram live, this Instagram live morning vlog. Okay, Instagram live morning vlog. Okay, so told y'all on Facebook Live, but I'm a do that on YouTube as well. Okay, that I'm getting my hair cut and stuff like that. You know. Yep. Very, very anxious to get my hair cut, honestly. Okay. No offense to that. So, I must say, y'all, I mean, I can hardly wait to get my hair cut for my birthday. And today is Dominique Henry's birthday and her mom, Miss Tina's birthday. Okay. All right. I wish that they was watching this. Let's go back outside. Okay. All right. So, today, today's Miss Tina's birthday. Dominique Henry's mom. Okay, well, I don't know if I should mention her full name or not. But she call herself Diamond. That's a nickname slash singing name. Okay, all right. If all I could, if all I could see her again. Dominique, if you're watching this, I miss you so much. And Miss Tina, if you watching this, I don't know if you gonna ever watch this video or whatever. Okay, I, I'm I miss your daughter so much, Miss Tina. I know you haven't met me before. I'm a real nice guy. You hear me? Hmm. I sure wish I can see Dominique Henry though. She one of the most sweetest I've ever known. Okay. Okay. So anyway, and by the way, Dominique she could sing. Uh huh. I sure wish she had a music career like Kirsten K trying to do her music career. Okay. I got a career in YouTube. Okay. Yep. A career in YouTube and stuff like that. Yep. Uh-huh. So this is what I do, okay? Instead of going out on the streets, hanging out on the streets, doing God knows what. I don't got time to be hanging out on the streets. Especially with one person talking smack about somebody behind their backs and stuff like that. And you think I'm not hearing that? Hmm. You know, it's too early in the morning for negativity, y'all. So I'm not gonna say anything negative today. And today is my friend's birthday. Uh huh. Yeah. Look at the skies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's better. Look at the skies, y'all. Okay, it's cloudy. Is it gonna rain today? Who knows? Okay. Today or tomorrow, I'm gonna get those bags off of here. It been sitting there for months. Okay, been sitting there for months. Okay, it's a nice day even though it's cloudy. All right, so my birthday's in a couple of weeks, September 13th. Me and my twin, never forgotten about that. All right, so let's go back inside. Okay. All right. So we back inside. Okay. So hopefully I'm gonna get a new TV for Christmas or Thanksgiving or whatnot. Okay. And I'll probably get a new PlayStation 5 so I can renew what you call it? Hold on. So I can renew my warranty. Just in case something like this break down. They say they lower the prices on the PS5. Mm-hmm. PlayStation. I mean, say Sega Dreamcast. Yeah, I needed that. So I'm going. So the new TV not gonna be in this room. I'm gonna put the old TV back to where it was. Not this TV though. So I'm gonna use this to watch TV on. Okay, put my PlayStation 4 on that one, and then watch YouTube. How I'm gonna do that, you'll see eventually. Okay, all right. All right, so as I was saying, y'all, I mean, my birthday coming in a couple of weeks. Yep, me and my brother's birthday and stuff like that. Yeah, uh huh. Yeah, so I just enjoyed doing my thing, you know. Yep. And one of these days I need to talk to Nyla. Some of y'all remember Nyla. I hope y'all do. Okay, if you're watching me on Instagram, y'all probably don't know who Nyla is, but if you're following Nyla, y'all know who Nyla is. Okay, but if you're watching me on YouTube right now and you watch my past videos, y'all know who Nyla is. Okay. Yep. And seeing Ashley yesterday, I don't know if it was a blessing or a curse. I don't know. I don't know. Cause I remember I told a lady that I seen a girl that I haven't seen in a long time. I assume God brought her back in my life, and this lady told me Satan brings people back in your life too, and that's true. That's definitely true. You understand? Mm. But like I said, I don't have time for no negativity. I don't have time for no evilness. You know, especially that girl Shell. She one of the most evil I've ever known. Well, I thought she was cool, but that girl is so evil. She talks bad about a lot of people. Okay, and not only that though, she always get into it with people. Somebody threatening to beat her up and all that. One time she had her children across the street while she was sitting on her car and stuff like that. Not really paying attention to her children. Unfortunately, I had to say it like that. Why am I saying that? Because she too hatred, too evil, devious. That's what it is, though. All right. Uh, I'm not gonna come on these platforms and 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 curse them out. Excuse me a minute. I think I'm about to sneeze. Oh, I thought I had to sneeze. You know. hmm While her and her friends were just sitting across the street and stuff like that, some girl pulled up in the car, talking smack and all that, cursing and carrying on, FUB and all that. Who got time for that? Not me. I don't have time for that. Hmm. I could have filmed that with my camera, but I don't like filming violence. Honestly, I really don't. Honestly, because if there's a fight on a Domino 7 show, that video is not gonna be monetized. Okay, that video will not be monetized if there's a fight on a Domino 7 show. Okay, because if fighter was just acting, it would be monetized. But if it's a real fight and all that, I'm not gonna monetize that. I'm definitely not gonna monetize anything like that. The only fighting that y'all see on the Domino 7 show is a video game. Okay, that's the only kind of fight y'all gonna see on the Domino 7 show. Okay, all right. So I just want y'all to get that clear. Okay, do I make myself clear? Yes. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. Speaking of Cheryl, she called herself trying to talk to me. Pull up in her car. Oh, I haven't saw you in a long time. Well, I had a nasty attitude with her. She know darn well she saw me walking by. She ain't say nothing because she kind of rude. She very rude. You understand? Mm. Evil and conniving. Mm. Won't talk bad about people behind their backs. Mm. I kind of wonder why she have all them enemies. Oh, bless me. Okay. And every time I sneeze in my hand, I gotta wash my hand. hmm All right then. So that's all I gotta say. I'm about to go brush my teeth and wash this hand though. Okay. But I feel like I gotta sneeze again. Uh, oh no, not yet. Yeah. Jesus. Oh well. God bless me. All right. Thank y'all for watching tonight. Bye.